What's up YouTube? Today I wanted to make a quick video about how to get started with a loan on Bitconnect. I've gotten some questions about what Bitconnect is, how you get started in it, and why you would want to participate in it at all. So I figured I would address some of those questions. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that. And don't forget, if you enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button. So Bitconnect is a platform where you can deposit Bitcoin, trade the Bitcoin for Bitconnect tokens, and then loan those Bitconnect tokens to a lending bot, and that bot will trade with Bitcoin all throughout the day and then pay you back in interest on a daily basis. The great thing about Bitconnect is the initial amount that you put into it, whether it's $100, $1,000, $10,000, whatever, $100 minimum, you will get that back after 299 days or less, depending on the amount that you put into it. That's what makes this a better investment than investing in cloud mining. So if you've been putting money into cloud mining, I really think you should take a look at Bitconnect, because it has been proven over and over again that it can produce more income than one of those sites. But there is a lot of controversy around it. A lot of people think that it's a scam, and really we've seen proof. You can look back at my previous videos where people have shown that they got their initial capital back. Plus, you can see where people are getting their daily payouts just like they state. So, if you feel comfortable investing in it and you're not listening to all the haters that are talking about it, then I'm going to show you how to get started with your first loan. In order to get started, the first thing that you need to do is deposit some Bitcoin. A couple of ways that you can do that. Once you've signed up on Bitconnect, there's a link down below for that. You click on Deposit Bitcoin on the dashboard page. This will give you a wallet address where you can deposit. Or you can go to the BCC exchange, and here you will see two wallets. If you already have Bitconnect coin from mining or from buying on an exchange somewhere else, you can deposit it by hitting the deposit button. Here's your address. If you have Bitcoin, you can hit deposit here. Deposit your Bitcoin to this address. Once you have Bitcoin in your account, now you need to trade that Bitcoin for Bitconnect coin. You do that on the BCC exchange page. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see Buy BCC. You'll click All, and then that will display your entire Bitcoin balance, and then you will hit Buy Bitconnect coin. It may take it a moment or two depending on how quickly the exchange is moving, but then once you refresh the page, we'll go back to the dashboard. You should see a balance up here in your Bitconnect wallet. Now what you need to do is make your first loan, and how you'll do that is by clicking on Lend Bitconnect. Here you will put in the dollar amount worth of Bitconnect tokens or coins that you want to lend out. Once you put in that dollar amount here, remember it has to be $100 or more. You'll click that you have read the terms of use and that you agree to them. And then you will click on Pay from Bitconnect wallet. That will start your first loan. I'll show you my loan here in a moment, but first I want to talk about this volatility software interest. Now, if you deposit between $100 and $1,000, you're going to get the base amount of whatever the interest is for that day, and then after 299 days, whatever amount you put into it that was between these two amounts, you will get back. You deposit more than that within this range, you're going to get back the base interest plus this bonus, and you're going to get your money back a little bit quicker, and so on. So you can see if your loan is over $10,010, you're going to get it back in 120 days, plus you're getting 0.25% extra on top of whatever the daily interest was. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily interest. On average, the daily interest has been 0.88 based on a 30-day average. So if you did a loan of $1,000, you're going to get that back in 299 days. Each day of that 299 days, you're going to be getting an average of 0.88% of what you put in. So you can imagine that's going to be around $8 to $10 per day, sometimes more, sometimes less, but on average it will average out to 0.88. For a while it was above 1%. you can see, looking back at the history, and even tomorrow it's going to be 1.12, but you can see 1.52, 1.72, 1.79. So there's a lot of them that are well over it that make up for the days that are below it. How it does this is by the fluctuation in the price of Bitcoin. As Bitcoin goes down, as Bitcoin goes up, it's making money because it's trading your BitConnect coins that you loaned it against Bitcoin all day long. Now, at the end of this 299 days, you will have made that 0.88% interest on a daily basis, plus you're going to get back your original $1,000. So you're going to make $2,631 in profit, and then you're going to get back your $1,000, making it $3,631 that you get back total. That's 263% return. The more that you loan out, the better the return's going to be. And that's really all there is to Bitconnect. I'll show you my lending. You go to transaction, and then on the next page, we'll go to lending. I think it's called lending wallet. Yeah. So here, go to the second page. You can see on May 28th, that's when I did my original $100 loan. Each day since then, I've been getting payouts. You can see some of them $1.84, $1.79, some of them are lower. And then what these are is where these profits that I made, I took those out and I converted them back to Bitcoin and took them back to my Bitcoin wallet. You can reinvest once you've reached $10. Your payouts are going to be in USD. They're not going to be in Bitconnect coins or Bitcoin. They're going to be in USD. Once you reach $10, you can reinvest that $10, or when you have like $1, you can trade it back to Bitconnect coin and then sell it for Bitcoin and withdraw it if you would like. So it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple.